Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub organization. Now the first thing I want you to do once you're logged into GitHub, come at the top right, click on your profile icon. And then from here, I want you to just go ahead and click on your organizations. And if you're not in any organization, you'll see this page right here. Then just click here on a new organization. Okay, you'll need to actually pick a plan. You can even do this for the free version as well. You can create a free organization, so choose that one. Then just enter your organization name, your contact email, and whether or not the organization belongs to your personal account or a business or institution, just go ahead and toggle accordingly. And once you're done with that, just scroll down and verify your account with the puzzle, the captcha basically. And that is how you do it. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.